Welcome to our new video. Today we're going to discuss a very important topic: sustainable development, business sustainability, accountability reporting, and sustainability audit. If you're a student, entrepreneur, or simply someone interested in how businesses can be both profitable and responsible, then this video is for you. Sustainable development, business sustainability, accountability reporting, and audit. Sustainable development defined it as development that meets the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to meet their own needs. Theoretically, the concept has its ties with ecological modernization, which opines that economic growth and ecological concerns can be favorably combined. Sustainability recognizes the interdependence of economic, social, and environmental factors for all-round development. Meaning of sustainability audit. Sustainability audit is a comprehensive assessment of an organization's environmental, social, and economic impacts. The purpose of the audit is to identify areas where the organization can improve its sustainability performance and minimize its negative impacts on the environment, society, and economy. The outcome of a sustainability audit is used to develop a sustainability strategy and set goals for ongoing sustainability performance improvement. Framework of sustainability audit. A sustainability audit typically follows a structured framework that includes the following steps. 1. Planning and preparation. This involves defining the scope and objectives of the audit, identifying stakeholders, and preparing a plan for conducting the audit. 2. Data collection and analysis. This involves gathering data on the organization's environmental, social, and economic impacts, as well as reviewing policies, procedures, and practices related to sustainability. 3. Assessment and evaluation. This involves evaluating the data collected and analyzing the organization's sustainability performance. This step typically includes benchmarking the organization's performance against industry standards and best practices. 4. Report generation. This involves summarizing the findings of the audit and presenting recommendations for improvement. 5. Implementation and monitoring. This involves taking action on the recommendations made in the report and monitoring progress to ensure that sustainability goals are met over time. For more detailed information, visit the official website of VMK Professionals, www.vmkpros.com, and always review the latest amendments before execution, as laws keep changing frequently. Different organizations may use slightly different frameworks for sustainability audits, but the basic steps are generally consistent across different approaches. The choice of framework often depends on the organization's specific sustainability goals and the resources available for conducting the audit. Process of conducting sustainability audit. The process of a sustainability audit typically begins with assessing the culture of the company, which includes things such as understanding how open employees are with regard to discussing their social responsibility practices, or what sort of training they have received on these issues. A sustainability audit may be conducted in the following manner. 1. Defining the scope and objectives of the audit. This involves determining what aspects of the organization's operations will be included in the audit and what sustainability goals the audit is intended to achieve. 2. Gathering data. This involves collecting data on the organization's environmental, social, and economic impacts, as well as reviewing policies, procedures, and practices related to sustainability. This may include analyzing data from existing sustainability reports, conducting surveys of employees and stakeholders, and reviewing internal documents and data. 3. Conducting assessments and evaluations. This involves evaluating the data collected and analyzing the organization's sustainability performance. This step typically includes benchmarking the organization's performance against industry standards and best practices, and identifying areas for improvement. 4. Preparing a report. This involves summarizing the findings of the audit and presenting recommendations for improvement. The report should be clear, concise, and actionable, and should be designed to engage and inform stakeholders. 5. Implementing and monitoring actions. This involves taking action on the recommendations made in the report and monitoring progress over time to ensure that sustainability goals are met. This may involve developing and implementing new sustainability policies and procedures, investing in new technologies or processes, and engaging with stakeholders to drive sustainability improvements. For 6, reporting and communicating. Report on the findings of the sustainability audit, including the results of the performance assessment, areas for improvement, and the action plan. Communicate the results to stakeholders, including employees, customers, shareholders, and the wider community. Key elements in sustainability audit report. A sustainability audit report is a comprehensive document which provides a detailed analysis of an organization's sustainability performance. The report typically includes the following key elements. Executive summary. This section provides a high-level overview of the report, including the purpose of the audit, the key findings, and the main recommendations. Background. This section provides context for the audit, including information about the organization, its sustainability goals and objectives, and the scope of the audit. Methodology. This section outlines the methodology used to conduct the audit, including the data sources, the stakeholders consulted, and the tools and techniques used to gather and analyze the data. Key findings. This section presents the main findings of the audit, including a detailed analysis of the organization's sustainability performance on key ESG issues, such as energy use, greenhouse gas emissions, waste management, water use, employee relations, community engagement, and compliance with relevant laws and regulations. Recommendations. This section provides specific recommendations for how the organization can improve its sustainability performance in the areas identified by the audit. The recommendations may include specific actions that the organization can take, such as reducing energy use, improving waste management practices, or enhancing employee engagement programs. Implementation plan. This section outlines a plan for implementing the recommendations from the audit, including specific goals, timelines, and responsibilities. Conclusion. This section provides a summary of the main findings and recommendations from the audit and reiterates the organization's commitment to sustainability. Audit standards on sustainability. There are several standards and guidelines that organizations can use to conduct sustainability audits. Some of the most widely used include Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, standards. The GRI is a widely recognized sustainability reporting framework that provides guidelines and indicators for organizations to measure and report on their sustainability performance. The GRI standards provide a comprehensive and consistent approach to sustainability reporting and are used by organizations around the world to report on their sustainability performance. ISO 26000. ISO 26000 is an international standard for corporate social responsibility that provides guidelines for organizations on how to implement, maintain, and continually improve their social responsibility practices. This standard can be used as a framework for conducting sustainability audits and provides guidance on topics such as environmental responsibility, human rights, and community involvement. 3. Sustainability assessment standards. There are a number of sustainability assessment standards that organizations can use to conduct sustainability audits. These standards provide a systematic and comprehensive approach to sustainability assessment and include the Environmental Management Accounting (EMA) standards, the AA1000 Accountability Principles Standard, and the Sustainability Assessment Framework. IV. National and regional standards. There are also a number of national and regional standards that organizations can use to conduct sustainability audits. For example, the European Union has developed the EU Eco-Management and Audit Scheme, EMAS, which provides a framework for organizations to measure and report on their sustainability performance. Importance of sustainability audit. A sustainability audit will serve two crucial functions: identifying important environmental, social, and governance (ESG) risks, and 2, benchmarking the organization's sustainability initiatives against competitors. Besides these, a sustainability audit is important for several reasons, including 1. Identifying areas for improvement. A sustainability audit helps organizations to understand their environmental, social, and economic impacts and identify areas where they can improve their sustainability performance. This can lead to cost savings, increased efficiency, and reduced environmental impacts. 2. Measuring sustainability performance. A sustainability audit provides a systematic and comprehensive way to measure an organization's sustainability performance and to track progress over time. This information can be used to set sustainability goals, benchmark performance against industry standards, and engage stakeholders. 3. Demonstrating commitment to sustainability. By conducting a sustainability audit and taking action on its findings, organizations can demonstrate their commitment to sustainability and show that they take their environmental and social responsibilities seriously. 4. Enhancing reputation and brand image. A sustainability audit can help organizations to enhance their reputation and brand image by demonstrating their commitment to sustainability and by improving their sustainability performance. This can help to attract and retain customers, employees, and other stakeholders who value sustainability. 5. Fostering innovation and competitiveness. By identifying areas for improvement and taking action to improve sustainability performance, organizations can foster innovation and competitiveness. This can help to stay ahead of the curve, to respond to changing market demands, and to differentiate themselves from competitors. 6. Overall, a sustainability audit provides a valuable tool for organizations to understand their sustainability performance, to identify areas for improvement, and to take action to enhance their sustainability and to achieve their sustainability goals. For more detailed information, visit the official website of VMK Professionals, www.vmpros.com, and always review the latest amendments before execution, as laws keep changing frequently. Conclusion. From reading and observing the whole about sustainability audit, it was concluded that, in practical terms, sustainability audits offer organizations a powerful tool to not only improve their environmental and social impact, but also ensure long-term business viability. By systematically assessing their operations, businesses can point inefficiencies, reduce waste, and lower costs, all while contributing positively to the planet and society. A sustainability audit is more than just compliance or reporting exercise. It's an actionable strategy for companies to strengthen their competitive position and attract customers, investors, and talent who prioritize sustainability. A sustainability audit can transform an organization's culture by embedding sustainability into its core operations. Employees who see the company taking responsible actions are more likely to be engaged and loyal, and customers increasingly prefer brands that align with their own values of sustainability. Additionally, these audits help businesses build transparency and accountability, key factors in earning and maintaining stakeholder trust. Ultimately, sustainability audits serve as a guide for businesses to take concrete actions toward achieving sustainable growth. By committing to such audits, organizations ensure they are not only doing right by their communities and the environment, but also positioning themselves for long-term success in a rapidly changing world. That's it for this video. We hope you learned something new about sustainable development and how businesses can audit and improve their environmental and social responsibilities. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and most importantly, subscribe to our channel for more educational and insightful content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.